Beamer today, huh?
You're already putting up Halloween stuff.
I'm not even done yet, man.
You serious?
Yeah, I'm on those 13 hours, so you know, some time here and there.
Well, let me go.
My other project.
Let me go park.
Yeah, you can park right here.
David, what happened to your hood, bro?
I was just going too fast, man. I mean, I couldn't handle it.
Oh, shut up.
No, I wish. No, I don't wish, actually. But no, we replaced it. We're going to replace it right now.
Check it out, guys. Seibon, right?
Yep, Seibon, J style, GU style, I don't know. But this is, yeah, the GTR variant of the Seibon hood.
Oh, carbon fiber hood finally going on the GTR, and you've been talking about this for a while now. You've been waiting for this.
Yeah.
And now it is here from Seibon. How long did it take for you to get it?
I'd say 4 to 5 weeks, somewhere around there.
Really?
Yeah, everything was back ordered by Seibon apparently. But
Yeah. Still, you know, recovering from all the COVID stuff, I guess.
yeah, but it was actually my third Seibon hood.
Really?
Yeah, so I had one on my TC, and then the 32, and then yeah, I've been itching to get it on this guy. So.
Well, here you go. It's a hood, so you know, pretty much simple, easy install. So you already got the stock hood off of there. I don't know how you got it off by yourself, but
It's actually super light. It
Is
felt
it really?
heavy when we lifted it, right?
Yeah.
But then I took it off, and I don't know. It might be lighter than the carbon fiber one.
oh yeah,
I don't know if it is lighter, but
it's aluminium, right?
it is, yeah.
Or
so,
aluminum, depending on where you're from.
Yeah. Right. Aluminum. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, we're American, right?
But yeah, no, it's actually super light, so pretty easy.
Very cool. Let's go ahead and get this thing on there,
Let's do it.
and hopefully it fits. We'll do your side first, and then I'll make sure it doesn't scratch the paint.
Unless this one doesn't fit.
What?
Let me see if the stock ones fit. Might lift it up high real quick.
Okay. Oh, it won't fit in the
Yeah, it gave me other hardware. I don't know if this shit might be too big.
Okay.
Yeah, this is too big.
Okay. We can set it down on here for now. Watch the paint. Watch the paint.
I'm good here.
Look at that. You get a preview of what it looks like.
Oh yeah, that's good. Let's roll.
All right, done. Does it have rain guards at all? Oh, did it come with it?
No,
Oh, dang.
I don't drive in the rain too much anyway. I mean, I will. But
Come on, man. We drive our shit.
Yeah.
Rain don't gonna stop us. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I'm on your lead, bro. Yeah, I can see. I think a polish will definitely bring it out to shine a little bit better. I mean, if you got some free time later on tonight, we can knock it out real quick.
Yeah.
The highway was horrible today, man.
Was it?
Yeah, there's just so many left lane hogs, man.
Oh yeah, it's been like that. I've been driving to the port every day.
Just camping out in the left lane is just so irritating, bro. I mean, it's like, dude, just move over, man. Let people pass. unless you're the guy camping out in the left lane. Unless that's you
No.
doing 55 in the fast lane, you know.
The only reason why I camp in the fast lane is because I'm trying to get past everyone else.
Yeah.
In the fast lane. But if I see someone creep up behind me, like if there's no,
Yeah.
well, I don't even stay over there. I always move over.
Yeah, same here. You know, I have no issue with letting you pass.
Yeah, you like a beautiful day in August. I get lost in your frequency when I'm not recording. Like we could do this frequently and end up like the Lawsons. You knows that I got you like you got me every so often. I'm into your passions like what should I invest in? You don't need a camera like to show off your perfection. Standing in a mirror like damn that ass is cuffing in those jeans and I'm genuine. Now I got you blushing.
All right, so far fitment of the hood is pretty good, just some minor tweaks here and there. The only thing is the latch right here is hitting on this little part right there. So easy fix, we're just gonna Dremel this part out. It's about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. We'll Dremel that out, and then boom, the latch should be able to go ahead and attach to the car now.
Yeah. Thanks, JR.
No problem, bro.
Definitely had a little bit of fine tuning, a little adjustment you'll see on the time lapse, but yeah, this guy I'm gonna do a hand file. It just needs a little bit of trim to fit this guy in here, as you can see. But yeah, not bad though. It's looking good.
I think it looked good.
Yeah, my original plan was to actually paint the hood, the body color,
Yeah.
and then just leave like the vents exposed carbon.
Uh-huh.
But I don't know. I kind of like the whole carbon look, at least for now.
Yeah, for now. It's getting dark out already, guys. It's like 7:30. It's already getting dark. Usually it's, well, in the summertime, it'd stay light to like almost 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I know. I
Yeah,
miss
but-
those days. And it was nicer out for the most part.
Yeah, that's true.
At least today wasn't bad.
But hood is on, Fitment is pretty good, just a few adjustments we gotta do later on. But one thing we gotta do now, since it is a brand new carbon fiber hood, we're gonna go ahead and give it a nice polish, and we're gonna give it a nice ceramic coating. But other than that, I think we're good. All right, so here we are just polishing the brand new carbon fiber hood. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and coat it, give it a nice good coating, get it ready for this rainy season that's coming up in a few weeks. Just going over the hood with our scan grip light. I don't see any more defects. There were quite a few from the factory, but they were just light scratches, easily comes off. We're using Meguiar's M205, so that takes it off just about one pass. There you go, David, putting in work.
Hell yeah.
Nice shirt, David.
What's that?
Nice shirt.
Oh, yeah, HKS, man.
Later.
Here's my old car. Check it out. Guys, check this out. I think I found my old STI. You guys have seen this car before.